Ahmedabad, the 9th of November 2020, Monday. Whenever we go to Playstore to install a new app in a smartphone, we find many apps. Most people are confused about which apps to install from the unparalleled apps with almost identical features. Now the confusion will probably lessen. A new feature is coming to Playstore. Now when we find an app, in the listing of that app, there is a button to compare that app with other apps like it. Such a feature is now being seen in some well-known music players app. Using this feature we can know which app is easier to use and which app is possible to use offline. It looks like Google will show this kind of comparison from user reviews about that app. Currently such comparisons are very limited and it is also uncertain whether it will be possible to make such comparisons across all types of apps. For more details kindly go to ift.tt/3bjf3. Please support our channel to grow by pressing subscribe button as well as the bell icon for daily science and technology updates. Thank you.